Man, it feels good to be back out here again. Today it is Friday, and we are down here in South Carolina, walking to this little pond. Yesterday, I caught a redfish. It was my first cast, and I caught one redfish. That was it for the day. I only stayed for about 30 minutes though, so it's all good. And we're walking here now, and I'm gonna see if I can get a fish or two for you guys. Yesterday I walked up to this same spot and just casted it, and he was right there, and I caught him on the mud minnow. I'll feature that clip if this ever becomes a video. I don't know if it will or not, but it's the exact spot I was at yesterday. Hopefully I can catch some fish for you guys, so stay tuned. See you guys later. Redfish of the day, boys. Come on up here. Oh, these are gorgeous fish. Just put my line out, and oh, they're beautiful. Look at these fish. Oh, it's so gorgeous, guys. I'm out here at Pawleys Island fishing a pond. It's really a runoff, but dude, it doesn't get no better than that. So I'm gonna unhook this fish and then talk about what we're here for and why I haven't videoed yet. First cast on the mud minnow, guys, so I just got it treble hooked through the nose, and fish came off this dock here. But yeah. Come on, guy. I'm trying. Alright, here we go. I think you can lip these fish. I don't see any. I don't see any teeth that are apparently there. But look at that, guys. First redfish of the day. That release is awesome. Me and my dad have been grinding it out here. But it's just me now, because we are at another pond where he had caught one flounder, and then we headed back home because the fishing had slowed down a little. But now I came to this other pond, and I just caught one fish on the first cast. So it seems to be a pretty decent pond. I don't know, but we're still gonna keep on fishing out here, because there seems to be a pretty good bit of fish. So I'll get back to you guys. I'll catch another one. So see you guys. I got something, guys. I don't know what it is, but I got him. Redfish, I think. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh, yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is the end of my trip right there. Just caught a redfish to end it. Yes, that is awesome. Beautiful fish. No. No, pal. No! Oh, he's biting me. Beautiful fish, guys. They're so gorgeous. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Nice close picture of the eye. Alright. Let's get the release of this dude. Oh yeah. He hit it really good too. Alright, so had a great time down in South Carolina. Going back, heading back to the condo now. Just had to catch that fish. That was beautiful. But going back now, and that's the end of my trip. Hope you liked this video, and See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.